Welcome to Tapforms Pro. Now we're going to learn how to use the new Cloud Plus Sync service. To do that, click on Tapforms Pro, then Settings, and then Sync. Cloud Plus Sync is actually just iCloud, but it uses a more efficient algorithm that will sync your documents faster, and it'll use less storage space on your device as well. Now this document is currently being synced with the older iCloud sync service, so what we're going to want to do is click on the None button, click Switch to None, and then click on Delete Document from iCloud. That'll completely delete the document from syncing with iCloud. Now we can click on Cloud Plus, click on Switch to iCloud Sync Plus, Cloud Plus Sync, and wait for it to finish uploading your document to iCloud. It might take a little while depending on the size of your document, but you'll see the progress indicator go all the way to the end, and then it'll be done. And it's done. So now we can close this document. And one thing we need to do is close the document and then reopen it again to activate the auto sync function. If you don't do that, then it will basically be in manual sync and you'll have to click on the Sync Now button up here. So now what we can do is go to another device. I have my iPhone on the right here, and then tap on the lower left button to bring up the iCloud Documents screen. And now we can search for my first database. You'll see now that it says Cloud Plus Sync below, and documents that are using the older Cloud Sync system, the iCloud Sync system, won't have that label. So tap on the Cloud Download button to download that document. It will open up and then it will start syncing. Okay, here we go. So what we can do now is try doing some syncing. So what do we have here? Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up the grocery shopping list form and then click on it on here on the Mac. And I'm going to try out, say, checking something, say I need to get the tomatoes, so I will tap on the checkbox there. And then that should sync across onto the Mac side, and now we can see tomatoes is no longer checked. And let's see, I think we need to have a better photo than actually for this tomatoes. Let's go for this one, cookies, and let's grab a photo of some cookies. We'll use Image Playground here to get some cookie photo. It'll generate a picture, cookies for us, and we'll click Done. And now we have cookies. And let's go to the iPhone. And now we have the cookies photo there. And maybe we want to change the brand, and let's call that Oreo, even though I know that's not an Oreo cookie. When we do that, it will sync a few seconds later. And now we see Oreo on the left as well. And that's pretty much Cloud Sync. That's it. Now let's see what happens when we add a whole new form to our document. Let's go back to the template library, go to personal, we'll find a form that we want to import. We'll import that form, close the template library, and there we go. Now we can see the books library, same as on the Mac. Here we go. and that's syncing with Cloud Plus Sync.